If we take multiple images that are captured with different exposure levels and combine them into one image, we have a high dynamic range image. This single HDR image can improve the visibility of both dark and light areas of the same scene. On the next few slides, we'll take a look at some examples. Adaptive noise reduction, remember when we discussed that earlier, is constantly running to produce a low noise image when needed for freeze frame or still image capture. That same ANR data is combined with multiple images captured at different brightness levels after a freeze or real 3D phase measurement capture request to generate a set of HDR images. As compared to typical HDR in a cell phone, the Mentor Visual IQ gets a much wider dynamic range within a given image. Notice the transformation of the weld image on the right side after HDR is applied. On this slide, we compare image transformation outcomes using HDR, brightness, and dark boost. The upper images show brightness at nominal, low, and high levels, which does not provide the desired outcome in any one of those scenes. The bottom left image with nominal brightness and high dark boost is better. But look at the quality of the bottom right image when using HDR. Really nice image. Take a look at this example showing how HDR can be used to brighten a darker scene. It can really be helpful in larger cavities without a lot of light. In this example, HDR is being used to brighten the background of a scene that normally would stay dark due to the camera backing down the brightness because of the foreground target. But with HDR applied, you can see both the foreground target, which is not blooming, but also see all the way down into the bottom of this particular cavity. High dynamic range is part of our previously mentioned POD software package and provides views of the standard image, an HDR light view, an HDR dark view, and an HDR nominal view. The user can enter the Views menu and choose a pre-selected HDR image to save. Also, we have recently introduced the ability to adjust the HDR nominal view, providing users with more control over their images. Take a look at how the image changes as we change the HDR level using the touchscreen slider. Let's take a look at the key points for high dynamic range imaging. First of all, you can access HDR from the Views menu on the Mentor Visual IQ for frozen or 3D PM captured images. HDR works great on shiny surfaces. It restores color and sharpness in dark scenes and can make darker background scenes brighter. A best practice is to white balance for best color rendition. If an HDR image is saved, the normal image will also be saved. And reminder, keep the probe still to achieve best results.